walkie-talkie procedure. Our walkie-talkies we are going to use for curbside and for the host stand. Host stand is going to be station 1, curbside is going to be station 2. In order to power these on, we're just going to turn that knob at the top all the way to the right.
Power on.
So you hear it say power on. Right now we are on station 1, which again is the host. Station 2 is going to be curbside. Right here you'll see a plus and a minus sign. We're going to hit these buttons in order to change the station. So we're going to change it to 2 right now, which is going to be curbside. To go back to the host stand, we're going to hit the down button.
1.
And now you're back on the host station. So whatever area that you're scheduled in, you're gonna either go to 1 or 2 for those areas as far as communication with the rest of your team. For each walkie-talkie, we have a set of headphones that you can use in order to communicate, and that way the guests can't hear everything that's going over on the walkie-talkie. So to do this, we're just gonna take our walkie-talkie, we're gonna flip down this side right here on the opposite of where we have our 1 and 2. You're gonna see the jack for that. We're just gonna plug that into that jack, just like that. These have all been sanitized. It's part of the job duty at the end of the shift. After you're done with these, make sure that you sanitize them so that way it's sanitized for the next group by just wiping them off with the nail clean water. So we're just gonna put this in whatever ear is comfortable. And then we are able to communicate with each other that way. It also has a clip on it, so you can clip it on your jacket, on your pants, whatever you're comfortable with, and this can go in one of your pockets. So for the host stand, what we're gonna use them for is for the stager and the wait list to talk to each other. For the stager to let that wait list know this is what we've got going on here. We have a couple tables that are coming open. That way that wait list can get to the red hat, let the red hat know what's going on. So that way everybody's in the same loop, everybody knows what's going on. For the curbside room, we're gonna be using the walkie-talkie to communicate between the curbside runner, the food runner, as well as the coordinator. Anytime we have any questions about anything that's missing for the food runner, anytime that we have a question from the guest outside asking how much longer on their order, or if they have a question about payment, we're gonna use our walkie-talkies to communicate with each other to save time and get that food out to the guests as soon as possible. These walkie-talkies are not a toy, so make sure that we are communicating professionally through the walkie-talkies. We are only communicating about guest concerns or things that we need, but we are not just communicating with each other, goofing off on them. Make sure that we take it serious and that we use them for the reasons that we need to. Make sure again at the end of the shift, after we are finished with our walkie-talkies, that we have put them back where they belong, that we have put them on the charger, and that we have sanitized the headsets. That way it's ready to go for the next group on the next shift.